Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable hints and tutorials on the Sleeping Dogs game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sleeping Dogs game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to change the settings for your tutorial and hints, go ahead and click on Options. From the Options page, click on Game and Controls, and now you will see various different options for your gameplay. Within this, you will also find the hints enabled option. If this is set to on, then hints will be enabled, decreasing the difficulty level of your game. You can set this to off in order to increase your difficulty, and there is also the contextual help that you can turn off to really ramp up the difficulty if you wish. After choosing your desired settings, you can simply go back, and when you are asked whether you would like to save your changes, click on the Yes button. After this, you can go back to your game and enjoy it without any hints or tutorials, and you may go back to this option at any point of time to once again enable them if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable hints and tutorials on the Sleeping Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.